Music, as we've learned in the course, it has the potential to evoke lots of meaningful memories. We learn about the psychological benefits and just the overall health benefits that it has. It's also a community placement course, so not only do we learn about the scientific components and the benefits behind music, how that works in the brain, but we also put this into practice, and we go visit retirement homes and long-term care homes, and we play music, we do activities, and we're actually able to see these benefits in real life.
Just to see the young people. Oh, I love the kids. They're just great. When I was in public school, and that's many years ago, I didn't have the opportunity at that time to learn to play an instrument, and it's been just great. I get down here every time they come in, and sing along.
It's just such a meaningful program to have, and I think it's so beneficial to be introducing these intergenerational relationships and just to place that importance at this time in society.